The Kip-up is a fun and impressive skill that serves as a great introduction to more advanced acrobatic elements. We begin by rolling onto the shoulders. As we pull the knees to the chest, we kick the legs upward and forward with a strong extension. At the same time, the hands push against the floor to help lift the body up. Landing with the arms reaching forward helps shift the center of mass and reduces the risk of falling backward. As we push off with the hands, the legs drive downward, giving the body an arched shape similar to a bridge. However, this is a dynamic movement. We don't stop in the arch, but instead jump directly onto the feet. Bridges are essential when preparing for the Kip-up. The leg action can be practiced through back bounces on the trampoline or even on the air track. Different back rock variations are also helpful. Especially those that include lifting onto the hands with a slight leg kick. We begin the progression by holding the position on the shoulders. Next, we add the leg action, landing with the hips lifted in a hip bridge position. From there, we progress to a full bridge. Finally, we introduce the flight phase, at first allowing the body to fall safely onto the back, before eventually performing the full Kip-up. The same progression can be applied from an elevated surface, landing down to a lower level. Make sure you begin close to the edge, not too far onto the platform. Common mistakes to watch out for include kicking too early while still rolling onto the shoulders. Failing to use the arms to push off the floor. Not reaching the shoulders, or dropping off them before the kick, which results in the hips being too low. This causes the kick to travel too far forward instead of upward. A lack of body tension during the kick. Even with a strong leg drive, the legs fail to lift the rest of the body. That's all about the Kip-up. Once you've mastered this skill, you can start exploring more advanced variations. Train safely, and good luck.